Before introducing our new products, I will briefly describe the S-Series. The S-Series is a best-selling, highly versatile compact machining center that can provide extremely high productivity and environmental performance. A wide variety of machine specifications are available by combining various options, such as a magazine that allows up to 28 tools, high torque or high-speed spindle, and simultaneous 5-axis control. We can recommend the highly versatile S-Series for customers in a broad range of industries. I will now describe the product concept of the new S-Series and U-Series. I will begin by describing the development background of these new products. Looking at the automotive industry, the shift toward EVs is accelerating year by year. Major parts have become large, and materials are shifting from steel to lightweight materials such as aluminum. In addition, as functional parts are integrated, complex shape workpieces that require inclined holes or multi-face machining tend to increase. At production sites, user needs are becoming more diversified and workpiece life cycles are becoming shorter and shorter. To catch up with these, the trend toward variable-type variable volume production is growing, which can handle a range from mass production to multi-product small volume production. Therefore, there is a huge demand for equipment that can achieve process integration or highly versatile equipment. In addition, greater emphasis is placed on the energy-saving performance of the equipment in response to climate change issues and rising energy prices. To flexibly meet these changes in the market environment, the new S-Series and U-Series provide a wider machining area and higher machining capabilities than previous models. New models have been developed to further expand the applicable range of conventional BT30 machining centers. There are 3 product concepts. First, expansion of the machining area by extending Y and Z-axis travels. Second, higher speed of the standard spindle and higher rigidity of the high-torque spindle to strengthen the spindle lineup. Third, reduction in power and air consumption to further improve energy-saving performance. With these concepts incorporated, the S300Xd2, S500Xd2, S700Xd2, and U500Xd2 have been released as updates of the previous models. Let's take a look at the basic specifications of the new products, starting from the S-Series. S-Series models are named differently according to the X-axis travel. The model with the X-axis travel of 500 mm is the S500Xd2. The X-axis travel can be selected from 300 mm, 500 mm, and 700 mm. The Y-axis travel has been increased to 450 mm for all specifications. For the S500Xd2 and S700Xd2, the Z-axis travel can be selected from 300 mm and 380 mm. 12,000 revolutions per minute is the standard spindle specifications, and 16,000 revolutions per minute, 10,000 revolutions per minute high torque, and 27,000 revolutions per minute specifications are available as options. A structure with enhanced spindle rigidity is used for high torque specifications. I will now introduce some results of machining using the S series. The Speedio is used for machining parts in a wide range of industries, including automobile, semiconductor manufacturing equipment, construction machinery, medical, precision equipment, and aircraft.